Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin kung ano yung exciting things na parating sa inyo in the next 2 weeks from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na ito. Dahil ito ay isang timeless reading, so anytime na mapanood nyo to, as long as makaka-resonate kayo, this reading is for you. Ayan. So, if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Okay, let's see. Leo, ano ang exciting things happening? Exciting things happening for Leo in the next 2 weeks. Whoa, 11th house, you have Jupiter in Gemini. Okay. I feel like mas dadami yung mga connections mo, friends mo, or yung contacts mo. I feel like you are networking in the next 2 weeks. So, networking, makakatulong to sa pagpapaunlad ng business mo, kung meron kang business, or ng career mo. Kasi the more na marami kang kakilala or nakakakilala sa'yo, the more na malaki yung chance for referrals in the future. Okay? Kasi you'll never know kailan mo kakailanganin yung pabor or tulong galing sa iba, or maaring opportunities na mismo yung lalapit sa'yo because they know you na let's say magaling kang mag-create ng website, o tapos meron ka nakilala sa isang gathering or isang event, and then nakilala ka, no, na magaling ka mag-create ng website, and then pwede ka nilang i-refer sa iba in case na merong mga ilangan. So you get my point here. So there's Jupiter's a planet of expansion. This is about learning, and also have Gemini energy here. So I feel like you will learn a lot, no? Exciting things for you is yung mga kaalaman, karunungan na matututunan mo in the next 2 weeks, or mga mag-o-open na opportunities para sa'yo to learn more. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo, may training, may seminar, merong convention, or this can be parang sarili mong sikap, no? Pwedeng meron kang, magiging interesado ka sa maraming bagay na magkakaroon ka ng lakas ng loob na to finally do it on your own. Pwedeng meron kang research na gagawin. 11th house is also about your wishes coming true. So, maaring meron kang wish na matutupad. Let's say, meron kang negosyo, tapos gusto mong mag-expand yung business mo, magkaroon ng multiple branches, or mas dumami yung ino-offer mong products or services, mas dumami yung iyong mga clients. So, I see you na being recognized as well, no? Kung ikaw ay social media influencer, content creator, you will also gain more followers. And syempre, more followers, mas maraming opportunities na darating sa'yo. Diba? Kasi more exposure. Okay. So, you have crane, you have lynx, and swan. Ooh. Yung iba, pwede ring merong romantic relationship, can be a soulmate connection. Yung soulmate naman kasi, hindi lang yan for romantic relationships. So, pwedeng meron kang makilala na soulmate mo, like a BFF, magiging BFF mo siya, no? Super friend mo siya na magsistick sa'yo through thick and thin. And for some of you, this can also be romantic connection na dahil makikilala mo siya somewhere and magkakaroon kayo ng parang realization that may chemistry sa inyong dalawa, 'di ba? So maraming possibilities. So this can also mean yung iba sa inyo, this is business partnership. So halimbawa meron kang makikilala na bagong contacts, tapos yung contacts mo na yon naging interesado siya sa whatever you are doing or yung expertise mo. So, maaring makabuo kayo ng concept, ng project together, no, na you will be working with each other. Ayan. So, connection to and cultivation. Now, ito namang crane, this is about longevity, commitment, your faith, and your devotion. So, kung ano man yung papasukin mong commitment, agreement, contract, in the next 2 weeks, meron tong malayo pang mararating. Okay? This can be any type of commitment. Pwedeng marriage, pwedeng relationships, pwedeng business partnerships, or collaboration, no? If you are a content creator na, let's say, merong brand na gustong makipag-collaborate sa'yo, so magsasign ka ng contract, and yung contract na yon maaring long-term yung inyong pagtatrabaho together. Ayan. And links is also about your intuition, being independent. So, I think mas magiging malakas yung iyong instinct, yung intuition mo about a lot of things na alam mo kung ano yung makakabuti sa'yo, alam mo rin kung ano yung hindi. And if in case na makarating ka sa sitwasyon na parang nalilito ka, no, you will receive mga signs as long as you ask for signs. Kasi minsan kailangan rin nating magtanong, no, humingi ng signs sa universe na ano po ba talaga ang nakakabuti para sa akin. And so, it will be shown to you. Papakita yan sa'yo. You have the King of Swords, feminine energy. So, I think, mas magiging maingat ka rin sa mga actions na gagawin mo. I see you working in silence eh. So, kumbaga tahimik ka lang na binubuo yung mga pangarap mo, yung mga goals mo. And at the same time, yun din yung way mo para proteksyonan yung mga goals mo. You have Temperance, you have the Knight of Wands, the Seven of Cups, and the Six of Wands. Wow. So, this is about pag-abot ng yung mga pangarap, no? So, for some of you, kung naririnig nyo yung ring sa background, it seems like it's a symbol or a sign sa inyo na you will receive an important message or a call or tawag, no, na very exciting yung news na dadalhin niyan sa'yo or ibibigay sa'yo. So this is about success. So whatever you are working on in the next 2 weeks, you will see great results, no? So you will be successful in that field. And may mga times na parang naguguluhan ka kung ano yung opportunity na kukunin mo or iti-take mo or options available sa'yo. Kasi ipipresentahan ka ng maraming options niyan eh. So in the next 2 weeks, you will see kung alin talaga dyan yung ipupursu mo. I think yung energy ng King of Swords is someone na pinag-aaralan niya yung sitwasyon and hindi rin niya minamadali. So the moment na sigurado na siya sa sarili niya, dun siya magte-take ng action. And that's what I'm seeing for you. You also have Flowers. So this is about encouragement, pleasure. So maari ring merong person na magbibigay sa'yo ng flowers in the next 2 weeks or like a form of admiration. So maaring meron kang makikilala na person na very open na mag-express ng admiration sa'yo. You also have child energy. So this is someone na very playful or someone which is also the energy of Leo, na very playful and also creative. So you might be tapping into your creative talents and creative skills. You also have birds. Birds is like parang messenger sila, no? So like what I mentioned sa inyo kanina, merong important message or call or email kayo na marireceive in the next 2 weeks na you will feel good about it. Pwedeng ito yung mga ginugol nyo talaga na makuha nyo. Let's say, meron kayong ina-applyan na trabaho or nag-a-apply kayo abroad or meron kayong hinihintay na kontrata na darating or good news or kung nag-exam kayo, naghihintay kayo ng resulta ng exams nyo. So in the next 2 weeks, you will see great results. And some of you naman, pag-uusapan rin kayo ng iba. Pwedeng meron mga tao na nakakapansin sa ginagawa mo and they might, let's say, parang pag-usapan kung ano yung nangyayari sa'yo. So someone might gossip around you, no? You also have Tower, unplug, and relax for a spell. So, some of you, magbibigay rin kayo ng attention sa inyong sarili, especially the times na nasistress kayo or na-overwhelm kayo sa mga nangyayari sa buhay nyo, lalo na itong mga exciting things na nangyayari. So, magbigay kayo ng oras sa sarili nyo na, to detach yourself for a moment and mag-relax, mag-meditate ka para ma-reset rin yung isip mo. Kasi minsan, we get frustrated and overwhelmed. And kapag mas clear yung isip mo, mas nakukuha mo yung guidance na mapapabuti ka, kung saan ka mas mapapabuti. Okay? Saan ka mas magiging successful. So, that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.